How to hide members in WhatsApp group. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, open your WhatsApp application and then go to this group. You can also create a new group, but if you want to hide members in your existing group, simply tap on the group, then tap on this group icon. Now scroll down and then go to add group to a community. Go to new community, tap on get started, enter a community name and done. Now the group members will not be able to see other members info except than the admin. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.